Hello everyone, welcome back to a lovely cold afternoon. So today I wanted to start a series based on really simplifying food. What that means is just using very humble ingredients and kind of putting creative spins on it, so to help out anyone in this food shortage time, or just to help anyone get more fruits and veggies in their diet. Eating more fruits and veggies can reduce your anxiety levels and help you stay calm in anxious times. You know? So in today's video, we'll be celebrating potatoes, carrots and peas. Carrots, potatoes and peas are often considered quite boring, often just boiled and eaten on the side of a dish. But in this video, we're really going to highlight them and transform them into something different that you may or may not have had before. So we'll get started, and thanks you guys for watching. Soak a mug full of cashews in boiling water. And we'll set it aside for about 20 minutes. Next, in another mug, we'll do the same with some frozen peas. Next, we'll get our potatoes and carrots ready for the oven. 2 handfuls of potatoes, whatever size. And we'll just cut it up into quarters, or whatever baking size you want. I'll use 2 carrots. And the carrots now, the size doesn't really matter because we'll be blending it up. So we'll cut it around the same size as the potatoes so they cook evenly. Okay, we're gonna move this out of the way and get our baking sheet ready. Sorry about that everyone, my camera stopped working while I was mixing everything, but what I did is I put the potatoes and carrots back onto the tray, and I put on about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chipotle flakes, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. And then I just massaged everything in. So we'll go ahead now and put this into the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, so we'll have a chili, garlic, and some mint. So we'll start with the garlic. We won't need to chop it up because we'll be blending it. Same thing with the chili. And the leaves we'll just take out from the stalk. So our potatoes are done, our carrots are done, everything is done. So now we can go ahead and proceed with the sauce. We'll bring these back from soaking. So we'll go ahead and strain both of these. First we're gonna make our cashew sauce. This will be the base. This will be the base for both the carrots and the peas. So we'll just make our basic cashew sauce. So put our cashews in. We're adding our garlic, salt, a few cranks, that's under a 1/4 teaspoon, but use as much as you want, little as you want, and some water. So it's 1 mug of water. Okay, so from there we get about a mug and a 1/4 of cashew sauce. In a blender we'll add in our peas. We'll add in our mint leaves, our chili. So in this one we'll put in 1/4 mug of the sauce and another 1/4 mug. Total half a mug. In normal cases I would add a vegetable cube to this, but in light of the food shortages I'll just keep it very simple for now. So we'll just add some salt instead. Another crank of salt, some black pepper, and we'll give it another blend. And it's quite green, as you can see. We'll just empty it out into a bowl. And there's our pea cashew sauce. Next we'll go ahead and prepare our carrot cashew sauce. So we'll put in our roasted carrots, half a mug of cashew sauce. We won't need to season it because the carrots were already salted before baking. So we won't add any more salt, but that's it. So here's our carrot cashew sauce. There you go. And the last step now is just plating. Okay everyone, thanks for watching this video about how to make rainbow potatoes and how to make pea cashew sauce and how to make carrot cashew sauce. So hopefully if you don't assemble the dish like I did here, you can use the individual components to add into your other dishes that you make. Whether you be a meat eater, a vegetarian, vegan, anything. It's just a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. The more vegetables we eat, especially during these times, it can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. So I highly encourage you guys to explore different vegetables. So stay tuned for more, and if you liked the video, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please do leave it in the section below and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Namaste.